My name is Michael McIntosh, aka Usain. They call me the landscape artist or the freestyle professor. But the reason why they call me freestyle professor, because I don't sketch to paint, I just use the brush and paint. Yeah man, and I also like to create new stuff like games. As you can see over there, I have a new game by the name of Usain Bolt, the 100 meter. Main reason why I get that game done, because you know Jamaica is a small little country and you know we are taking over in the Olympics. Alright, now we have Usain Bolt running against USA, Ewan Blake, Nesta Carter, Michael Frater, Steve Mullins, England and Asafa Powell. Yeah man, they're running a 100 meter right now, Diamond League. Alright, this is how it works. First, to start, you have to burn. Like, you know, you're playing other games, so you start with the dice by playing with 6, right? So if you won with 6, you can go here, you can choose any name right along the block.
So you need to roll a 6 to enter the game?
Yeah, you need a 6 to enter the game.
And that is what you call to be born into the game?
Yeah. After the 6, you are entitled to an S, right? If an S come immediately after your 6...
Wait, hold on, so S is 1?
Yeah, S is 1, right here. So if an S come immediately after the 6, then you're gonna have to find deuce, three, go all the way. But if you're lucky to throw in consecutive 6, you can move over to the second spot. Because if you count all the way to the 5, you're gonna also need a 6 to be reborn. So whenever you throw a double 6, you're entitled to the second spot, and it's the same procedure along.
Okay, so I hear that you have a player here that is very qualified. Yeah, this is the one with a ramp.
Yeah, shark right here. She's running like Veronica Campbell.
Veronica?
Yeah, she's running real hard. Take a 6 right there. She's lucky, 1 shot, 6. Jan over afraid I am, Yes, no, that she's born. No, it's my turn now. See that she won. I told her she always won. It doesn't matter what you do.
Alright, let's see the victory dance.